So, wait. Hi guys. For today's video, we're gonna trying freeze-dried cut dental sticks. Aray! By Tetsop. So I have 3 flavors there. One is Immunity Boost. Aray! Second is for the fresh breath. And chicken egg yolk. So try natin to ngayon. So andito na sila lahat. Taga-antay na. Let's go! Let's start with hair and beauty. Dito na sa baba. Dito na sa baba. Once to try first. Yeah. He likes it. Dito para makita kayo. Dito. She likes it. Here. You want it? You want also? You like it so much. Let's try with another flavor. Yeah, fresh breath. Hi. You want also? You want? What about you? You'd like? Ayaw mo? Huh? Okay. Very good. No. Aray ko. Aray! Sakit. Gusto mo ba? Ha? Gusto mo ba? Ito. Gusto nila. And here in beauty, this one is Immunity Boost. That's right. Ito. Aray! Huwag ka mga good. Very good. Ayoko na sa'yo. Pinakagat mo ako eh. Shhh! Aray ko! Masakit! Ayoko na nga. Ayun na kita biglang kasi kinakagat mo yung daliri ko. And that's all. Enough na. Enough. Gusto nila. Ayan, gusto nila. At kinakagat pa ako. So, that's it for today. Dental stick. Aray, sakit. Bye-bye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to the vlog. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye.